Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to share a secret treasure trove for music producers. Yes, you heard that right, a literal treasure trove. I'm going to show you some of the absolute best free sample packs available on the internet today. Whether you make hip-hop, EDM, pop, or lo-fi, these packs cover every single genre. We're talking full-length vocals, catchy melodies, crisp one-shots, punchy percussions, basically everything a music producer needs to make a hit. So let's dive right in. First up, we have WA Production. These guys are giving away over 120 free sample packs right now, which is just insane. Having access to over 120 packs is a massive quantity of sounds, and it's a perfect starting point for any producer. Second on our list is Cymatics, offering over 50 free sample packs. The quality here is top tier. In fact, these are the exact kinds of samples used by massive artists like Drake, Tiesto, and Bad Bunny. The best part? They are constantly dropping new free packs, so the library just keeps growing. Coming in at number 3 is 99 Sounds. Well, they provide roughly 50 free sample packs that span a huge sonic range. You'll find everything from classic vintage analog sounds to ultra-modern futuristic textures. It's a goldmine for unique sound design. Fourth on the list is Ghost Hack, with over 20 free sample packs. What makes Ghost Hack awesome is the variety. They include synth presets, vocal packs, and loops. Plus, everything is neatly organized by genre, so you can find exactly what you need in seconds. At number 5, we have Vandalism Sounds, offering 13 free packs. Now, I am personally a huge fan of Vandalism. When it comes to audio quality, they never compromise. Every single sound is crisp, professional, and ready to be dropped into a mix. And now, it's time for the ultimate bonus. This one is a literal goldmine, Music Radar. They are giving away nearly 100,000 free samples. Many of these sounds have actually been used in chart-topping hit songs. They've been archiving and collecting these samples for decades, and now they're giving them all away for free. All the links to these websites are down in the description below. Go grab them, level up your production, and let me know in the comments which pack is your favorite. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more production tips. See you in the next one.